Adventures, and we are in Sumterville, Florida. More specifically, we are at the Big Bass Grill and we're going magnet fishing. So stick around and check it out. So you heard right, I am going magnet fishing. I have not been magnet fishing in a while. Last time I went magnet fishing, I found some gun clips. But I came into Sumterville, had planned on going magnet fishing at some of the parks that are here. And I stopped here and had lunch and saw that they have a little marina over there, which is really cool. So I went and traveled and did some of the parks and couldn't find anything. Some of them didn't even have like access to the waterway. So I came back and asked the manager for permission to magnet fish, and she gave me permission. So we're going to dip the magnet in over here and see what we get. So as I was in there asking permission from the manager, one of the waitresses said that this lake is over 200 years old and that it is protected by like the government. That there's like Native American artifacts out here, so you can't like remove those artifacts. So I did go to like one park, and like I said, it says like, you know, it's illegal to take away like artifacts here, so I didn't magnet fish there. But let's see what we can get. All right, first dip. Find a whole bunch of screws. Nice. Got something heavy. Oh my God, it's an anchor. Daggone. Wow. Oh God, it's a big, huge anchor. I'm gonna put it back in. It was tied to the thing over here, so I'm gonna drop that back. Wanna be my friend. Oh wow. Top to a can. Sweet. No. Got a bungee cord, like the old style bungees. Nice. Got some more bolts and screws. Sweet. Piece of metal. Oh, nice. Some nice pliers and some more nails. Sweet. Ugh. I'll probably reuse these. Got a nice little net. Nice. Got another bungee cord. Here, big chunk of metal. I don't know what that is. And we got a spring. Nice. Oh. Another piece of random metal. Found a bottle cap with a shell in it. Found a whole bunch of bottle caps. Bud Light. Budweiser. Alright, I got a fish hook. Screw. Kearshaw. Huh, I don't know what that is. That's from. Alright, so we've been magnet fishing for about 2 hours now. I got a whole mess of nails and screws. I got 2 fish hooks. I got this big huge piece of metal. I've caught something like that before. I got some new pliers. They're wedged together, but I might can save them. I don't know. Got a nice little bait net. I got this is Kearshaw. It's got a little screw on it. It probably came off of something. I don't know. I'll look it up and let you know what it is. Got some bungee cords. Got a top to a can. I can't really read it. What it says. Got 3 bottle caps, and then a spring. Let's see. Then this. I want to rinse this off and see what this is. It's a piece of like concrete. Let's see. As you can see, there's like a shell right there that's like stuck to it. But I don't know what it is. Looks like a piece of concrete. It must have something magnet in it or some metal in it. Yeah, there must be something metal in that. I don't know. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this magnet fishing video. I also forgot that I did catch that big huge anchor, but it was tied to the dock, so I just put it back. So if you're ever in the Sumterville area, you should come check out Big Bass Grill. It's actually a resort and a marina. You can rent cabins over here, which is really cool, and then put your boat in and leave your boat here, which is it's really cool. I really didn't know this was over here until I looked it up. And like I said, I did eat lunch here earlier. I got the catfish dinner and it was pretty good. I had the coleslaw and the fries and it was really good. So if you're ever in the area, come look this place up. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you already are, we greatly appreciate it. If you're not, make sure you hit that button. It helps our channel grow. And hit that bell icon to get notified on when we drop videos like this one. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. On our Facebook page, we have a shop where you can get the Beast Box from Rogue Magnetics. That is the magnet that I used today. It is awesome. I love it. You can also get the Ancestry and Cookbook on our Facebook page. In the description below, we have a link to our bigger shop where you can get cool Wild Adventures merch. So thanks for watching. See you soon.